In 2024, Bitcoin continues to establish itself as one of the most transformative financial assets of the modern age, making it a compelling investment for individuals in the USA and Australia. As the global economy faces increasing challenges such as inflation, geopolitical tensions, and the ongoing evolution of monetary policies, Bitcoin offers a unique solution as a decentralized, inflation-resistant asset. Unlike traditional fiat currencies that are subject to devaluation due to excessive money printing, Bitcoin operates on a fixed supply capped at 21 million coins, ensuring scarcity and long-term value. For investors in the USA, where inflationary pressures and rising interest rates have raised concerns about the stability of traditional savings, Bitcoin provides an attractive alternative to preserve wealth and potentially achieve significant returns. In Australia, a growing fintech ecosystem and supportive regulations have made cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin a mainstream investment choice, further enhancing its appeal for both retail and institutional investors. One of the primary reasons to consider buying Bitcoin in 2024 is the increasing institutional adoption of this digital asset. In the USA, major financial institutions, including BlackRock, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab, have embraced Bitcoin by offering cryptocurrency-related investment products, such as spot Bitcoin ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These ETFs provide a regulated and accessible way for individuals to invest in Bitcoin without needing to hold the asset directly, reducing barriers to entry for many traditional investors. Additionally, corporations like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square have continued to hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets, signaling strong confidence in its long-term value. For individual investors, this institutional adoption adds a layer of legitimacy to Bitcoin, reducing the perception of it being a speculative or risky asset. Similarly, in Australia, companies such as the Commonwealth Bank of Australia have begun offering cryptocurrency trading services through their platforms, allowing everyday Australians to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin with ease. The widespread adoption of Bitcoin by reputable institutions in both nations underscores its growing importance in the global financial landscape. Bitcoin's performance as an asset class further solidifies its case as a must-buy in 2024. Over the past decade, Bitcoin has consistently outperformed traditional asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, making it one of the best-performing investments of the 21st century. Its ability to recover from market downturns and reach new all-time highs demonstrates its resilience and growth potential. For investors in the USA and Australia, Bitcoin's historical price trends highlight its ability to act as both a hedge against inflation and a high-growth asset. As traditional markets, including equities and real estate, face increasing volatility due to macroeconomic challenges, Bitcoin offers an uncorrelated asset that can diversify portfolios and reduce overall risk. This uncorrelated nature is particularly valuable in 2024 as global markets grapple with challenges such as supply chain disruptions, energy crises, and shifting geopolitical dynamics. By adding Bitcoin to their portfolios, investors can not only hedge against these uncertainties, but also participate in the growth of a revolutionary financial ecosystem. Another factor driving Bitcoin's appeal in 2024 is the growing regulatory clarity in both the USA and Australia. In the USA, regulatory agencies such as the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) have taken significant steps to provide guidelines for cryptocurrency markets, ensuring a safer environment for investors. For instance, the approval of Bitcoin ETFs and the implementation of robust anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations have increased transparency and trust in the market. These developments have made it easier and safer for Americans to buy and hold Bitcoin through regulated exchanges and custodians. In Australia, the government has similarly taken proactive measures to regulate the cryptocurrency market, with initiatives such as licensing requirements for exchanges and the introduction of the Digital Currency Exchange (DCE) framework. These efforts not only protect investors but also foster innovation, positioning Australia as a global leader in cryptocurrency adoption. With these regulatory advancements, both nations provide a secure and supportive environment for Bitcoin investment, further reducing risks associated with fraud and market manipulation. Bitcoin's technological advancements and network effects also contribute to its appeal as an investment in 2024. The Bitcoin network, powered by blockchain technology, continues to demonstrate its robustness and security, with no successful breaches since its inception in 2009. The recent implementation of upgrades, such as the Taproot protocol, has enhanced Bitcoin's scalability, privacy, and smart contract capabilities, making it more versatile for various applications beyond being a store of value. These technological advancements are particularly relevant for investors in the USA and Australia, where innovation and technological leadership are highly valued. Furthermore, Bitcoin's growing adoption as a means of payment by businesses worldwide increases its utility, making it a practical asset for both investment and everyday transactions. In Australia, for instance, companies like TravelBit and Living Room of Satoshi allow users to pay for goods and services with Bitcoin, integrating it into daily economic activities. Similarly, in the USA, major retailers and payment processors like PayPal, Overstock, and Starbucks have embraced Bitcoin, further boosting its mainstream acceptance. For investors looking at long-term trends, Bitcoin's finite supply and increasing demand create a compelling case for significant price appreciation over time. As more individuals, institutions, and governments recognize Bitcoin's value as a store of wealth, the competition for a limited number of coins intensifies. This supply-demand dynamic has already driven Bitcoin's price to unprecedented levels, and many analysts predict even greater growth in the coming years. For example, the next Bitcoin halving, scheduled for 2024, will reduce the rate at which new Bitcoin is minted, further constraining supply and potentially driving up prices. Historically, Bitcoin halvings have been followed by significant price increases, making 2024 a particularly opportune time to invest. For investors in both the USA and Australia, this represents a chance to capitalize on Bitcoin's upward trajectory and secure a position in an asset that could define the future of global finance. Moreover, the global shift towards digital assets and decentralized finance, DeFi, enhances Bitcoin's role as a cornerstone of the digital economy. In the USA, where financial innovation thrives, Bitcoin serves as a gateway to the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem, enabling access to decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading platforms. In Australia, the rise of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency startups further solidifies Bitcoin's importance as a foundational asset for the digital age. This integration of Bitcoin into the digital economy creates opportunities for investors to participate in a rapidly growing sector that is reshaping how value is created and exchanged. For younger investors in particular, Bitcoin represents more than just an investment. It symbolizes participation in a financial revolution that challenges traditional power structures and promotes financial sovereignty. Finally, buying Bitcoin in 2024 aligns with the growing emphasis on financial independence and personal sovereignty. As governments around the world experiment with central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and tighter controls over financial systems, Bitcoin offers a decentralized alternative that empowers individuals to control their wealth without reliance on intermediaries. For citizens in the USA and Australia, where trust in traditional financial institutions has been tested by past crises, Bitcoin provides a hedge against systemic risks and a way to diversify wealth in an increasingly digital world. Its borderless nature ensures that investors can access and transfer their assets freely, regardless of geopolitical boundaries, making it a truly global currency. In conclusion, the reasons to buy Bitcoin in the USA or Australia in 2024 are multifaceted and compelling. From its status as a store of value and inflation hedge to its role in fostering financial independence and innovation, Bitcoin represents a unique opportunity to invest in the future of finance. With increasing institutional adoption, regulatory clarity, and technological advancements, Bitcoin is well positioned to thrive in an era of economic uncertainty and digital transformation. For those seeking to diversify their portfolios and secure a stake in the evolution of money, Bitcoin stands out as an essential investment in 2024.